I saw. Yes, I'm just remembering.
Yeah. So yes. So we need to access methods which available in Java robot class. So we need to access that methods which available in Java robot class. What we need to do?
We need to create an object for the class.
Yes. So robot is the class name. Robot R is equals to new robot.
New robot
Yeah.
R dot.
See, this is coming from Java AWT library. Yeah. Now R dot. So what I have said first, what I need to do, I need to launch the application. What application? Srasis Academy application. Yeah. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. After that, what I have said, after launching this, I need to do
Zoom
three
in.
times. Three times here I mentioned zoom in. Yeah. So R dot. So
Key press.
what we need to do to zoom in? Yes, R dot. We have one method called
Key press.
key press. Key press. Inside this, we
Key-
have one
Key event.
event. Yeah. Key event. Inside this, why we are doing this key event, right? Inside this key event only, we have all the
Controls. Start in.
I mean, like this, what we will call it as keyboard.
Keyboard event.
Yeah, inside the key event, we have all the buttons, keyboard buttons. Yeah, buttons. If you click on dot,
VK
then you can
control.
see all this. Yeah. See here we have all the buttons. So based on see all the keyboard related buttons, based on your requirement, you can use that. How to use, I'll tell you. See VK hyphen. Now what we need? We need control. Yeah. So first what I am doing, I am pressing the control button. With the help of key press method, what I am doing, I am pressing the control button, and this key press method is a parameterized method. This needs like which method you want, which button you want to press, that we need to put inside this key press method. So here I want to press control button, and this control button present in key event. Okay, that's the reason what I have done R dot key press and I passed control button that present in key event. Now after pressing this, what I need to do, I need to press plus also, right? Control plus.
Yes.
Again same R dot key press
Key
Event.
key event
dot
VK
dot
underscore
VK underscore
score V.
add.
add.
Okay. Yeah. So we need to do add, right? Control plus symbol in here, it like they named as add. Okay, add means it's a place symbol. So we are pressing. Now what we are doing, we are pressing control, at the same time we are pressing add, control plus. Now what we need to do, we need to release, right, latter. Yeah. So for that we have one more method called r dot
key release.
If we do not release, means it will like continuously it is in press state only. That's the reason after clicking we need to release. For that we have one method called key release. Yeah. First we need to release the control button. After that we need to release the add button.
Here when we give key press once, it will click for one time, right?
Only one time. Excellent question,
Okay.
Pujita.
So
Actually
for
I'm coming to that.
example, okay.
Yeah, I'm coming to that only. So here like what we have done here, it's like pressing one time, but if you see in the scenario, how many times I have mentioned? 3 times.
Three
So what we
times.
need to do? We need to write 3 times these things.
I
Or
think
do,
we can click on control and we just need to add like 3 times.
so instead of that, is there any other? See, we need to add, control, add, release, add, release, add. You need to do 3 times. Instead of that, is there another way?
For loop, huh?
Yes, we have for loop,
Looping.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, looping. So int I, how many times I said? 3 times.
3 times. I equal to
I,
0. I less
yeah.
than equal to 3. I plus plus.
Yeah, I less than or equal to if you give means, see, I'm reading from 0, right, Pujita? So it
Okay.
will take
Okay.
total 4 times. So that's the reason
Okay.
just I have given less than 3. Yeah. Okay, after that, what we will do, we'll see the execution. For that, we have thread.sleep. Similarly, in Java robot, we have like delay method.
Delay.
That also, yeah, say it is also similar to thread.sleep only. After that, I will close the driver. By using what method? By using what method?
Divert that close.
Close, yes. Now I'll execute this and I'll show you. It launched. See, 3 times. It got zoomed right.
Yes.
Yes. You can increase this zoom thing. Yeah. Now check. Now I am doing 5 times zoom in. See. Got how to use keyboard related
Yes.
buttons. I mean, yeah. So I have zoom in, right? Could you people like do zoom out as assignment?
Just subtract, right? Or sub.
Yes. Yes. Sub. We'll see what button is there for subtract. VK underscore. Yes. Subtract. Correct, Pujita. Yes. So this is as assignment. Next. So scenario 2 as assignment. Scenario 3. So here, if you see scenario 3, what it is saying, launch this particular application. How to launch? With the help of driver.get, we will launch the application. And I'm launching this application. After that, what it is saying, enter HP in search box. First, we'll see in the manual. So I am launching this application. Then I'm maximizing this. Then as per scenario, what it is saying, enter HP in search box. So I am entering HP in search box. After that, what it is saying, click enter from keyboard by using, okay. So click enter. We need to click enter from keyboard. Okay. So it's not saying to click on this search button. What it is saying, click enter from keyboard by using Java robot class. Okay. I'm doing that manually. I'm clicking enter button. See, HB related laptop came, right? I mean, result appeared, right?
Yes.
Now this we will do with the help of automation. Now same, I launched the tutorial ninja application.
Like, person, sorry to interrupt.
No
So
problem.
what's the difference between driver dot get the URL and navigate the URL?
Yeah, actually, driver inside the drive. I mean, so we have like driver that navigate to, right? Inside that again, this get function only will work, Suraj. Again, that is like interview question. So inside that navigate method, again
Mm-hmm.
that navigate method will call this get method, and it will help us to launch the application.
Okay,
Okay.
so you can use either. There is no.
Either. Either.
Yes, anyone you can use. If someone will ask what is the difference between navigate and get means, again so navigate is a function to launch the application.
Yeah,
Inside the navigation, again
you have
get
it.
function only will call.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Sub part.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good, Suraj. Like, please bring that type of question so that others also knows. Actually, I
Right.
forgot to explain that. Yeah.
No.
So that is like excellent interview question. So most of the companies like in interview they will ask what is the
Okay.
difference between navigate to and get. Okay. Yeah. So I have launched this tutorial ninja application. Now what I need to do, I need to enter the
HP.
HP in the search box. Okay.
Yes.
I'm refreshing this. So I need to
Write the
enter.
XPath of
Yes. How to write it, Pujita? Right click,
inspect,
inspect.
Control F,
Please tell the, yeah, Control F.
Yeah.
Slash
two
slash
backslashes, slash,
input.
Yeah, slash.
Input. Input
No,
tag.
we need to say tag name. If I ask
tag
set,
name,
syntax
input,
means, yeah,
Input
yeah,
tag.
square bracket, at the rate.
yeah, square bracket at the rate.
I can give the class name.
Actually, directly
So we have
name
class.
name already.
Okay.
I write to the name also first.
Yeah, you can use name, class. Anything is
Directly,
fine, Padma.
directly wrote to the name also, ID also.
Here there is no ID, right, Padma?
Yeah,
We
name
have
is
like
there. Such name is there.
name is there
Name,
and
at
class.
the rate name search.
Okay.
Directly.
So we
Square
can use
bracket,
any.
close.
Name.
Yeah. So name means like it's a locator or attribute value. Okay. So it's identifying
Actually, directly by
one.
dot name, directly use it to the this name.
Yeah. Yes, Padma. You can use that like that also. By dot name also you can use. By dot class name also we can use. But recommendation is what, Padma?
XPath.
XPath. Why? Because you will habituate to write the XPath.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So what I need to do, I need to click right. So
Yes.
for that driver dot
Dot find element. Find element.
yes, find element
By dot
By
XPath.
by
X
dot
XPath.
XPath. Yes.
dots and keys, right?
That's and keys.
Yes. Dots and keys. Excellent. Yeah. Yes. So dots and keys. Inside that
I
Keys.
should
we need
type
to write
HP.
HP.
yes. Now after that we'll see our scenario.
Robot.
We'll see
Actually,
scenario
Enter
first, Padma.
key.
from
Yeah.
keyboard,
What is it
Key.
saying?
robot class.
Key enter.
Yes. Enter. We need to enter keyboard. So
Yes.
what it is saying? It is saying we need to enter with the by using keyboard with the help of Java robot class. So what we need to do now? We need to
Robot.
create a
Robot.
object for robot. Here
Robot.
already created.
R.
R dot key press.
R.
We can remove the for loop.
Yeah. R dot key
Equal
press.
to.
Key press.
Yeah, we need to do enter. That's it.
Enter.
Correct only. Key press. Then key event.
Key event dot.
Dot. Yeah.
Key event dot
Enter.
VK enter.
enter. VK
Enter.
Enter.
or enter. So what I'm doing, I'm pressing now. I need to release also, right?
Yeah.
So, R dot.
The same R dot
Key release.
key.
What does VK mean?
Okay.
I don't know. VK full form. So it's virtual key. Yeah. See, it's virtual key.
Yeah.
Yeah. Constant for the again that is Even I learned this time. I mean, first time. I don't know. Just I am using that VK, but thanks, Pujita. It's virtual key. Full form of VK is virtual key. Yeah. So key event.
Dot
Key event. Yeah. Dot
VK enter.
VK enter.
VK enter.
Enter.
Yeah. Yes. We are giving some time to see the execution. After that, I am closing the application or driver. Okay. Now I'll execute this. We'll see the execution. It's launching tutorialninja.com. It should enter HPC entered, and it like enter also it clicked, and we have seen that result, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we'll move to other scenario 4 now. So what it is saying, launch this website, later enter HP in search box, click enter from keyboard by using Java robot class, move slide bar to little down to see product properly. What it is saying, move slide bar. See, if you see, I am launching this. I'm launching this and I'm typing HP here. I clicked on enter. See, it's like little down, right? So what I am asking, I need to move little down the slider bar to see this product properly. That is my scenario. Okay. So already we have done till here, till we launched the application and we entered HP in search box and we clicked enter from keyboard by using Java robot class. Now what we need to do, we need to do this step 4 and step 5. What is step 4? Move slider bar little down to see product properly. How to move slider
Manually.
bar little manually? Just now I shown, right?
Okay.
Padma?
I will
Yeah.
write the code into the manual automation.
Yeah, now we will do automation. This I see when I clicked on enter, right? So
Yes.
it came like this. Then I manually dragged a little down to see
Yes.
this product properly. So this is manually. Now we will do with the help of automation.
Automation.
So already we have done till here, till product results are appearing. But now what we need to do, we need to come down. I mean, we need to drag that slider bar little down. So for that, in Java robot class, we have one method. Yeah,
Rectangle.
r dot. So first we'll give some delay in between. Then r dot. We have like
Rectangle.
no. We have like mouse wheel. Okay, this mouse wheel. Okay, mouse wheel. This is the method. You need to enter how much you want to move. I am giving some 8, some random number 8. We'll see. If we enter 8,
How's
how
that
much that's like.
measured? Like one scroll?
Don't know, Pujita, how to measure the scroll bar length. I don't
Axis.
know.
For some other thing we used pixels, I guess. First,
Width
the
and
other.
Yeah,
height.
JavaScript executor we have used on that day, and we entered the like yes, width and height.
Width and height.
So would
That
that
is
work
one
here or
method.
it's not?
Yeah, that is also worked, and we have another method also.
Actually, directly rectangle method is used to the height and width in the robot class.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, we'll use that also, Padma. But we
Okay.
have like one simple. If you use this mouse wheel, right?
Okay.
Yeah, no need to use any rectangles. Just you need to use this mouse wheel. The Java script executor also we can do, but that is like syntax little bit big.
Different.
In Java robot class, we have one method called mouse wheel, and I entered some value. You can enter anything like 6 or okay. Now check. Give some time in between so that we can see the execution. We'll see now. See, it's like dragging till here, right? Have you seen?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
it
5
went to
would
the
be
last.
better. I guess.
Last, but that is not our requirement. Our requirement is to see that particular product properly. For that, what I will do, move slider bar little up now. Okay, as per our scenario, I will move the slider bar little up. Again, for that also same method will use r dot mouse wheel. Suraj, when we have like executed that JavaScript executor, right, to
Yeah.
automate this, at the time, what values we have entered to move up? Negative values, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, here also we do negative. We enter, we will negative values. I'm entering some -2, and I'm giving some delay so that we can see execution flow. I will execute this. See, now we are able to see product properly, right?
Yes.
Our aim, as per our scenario, what we need to do, we need to see the product properly. For that reason, what I have done, I have like dragged this particular slider bar that at that time also I haven't see product properly. I mean results properly. Then what I have done, I have like I moved that slider bar little bit up. So to move slider bar little bit up, what we need to enter? We need to enter negative values, and to move down, we need to enter positive values. And method is to move up and move down. What is the method we need to use? Mouse wheel.
Mouse
And
wheel.
this method is available in what class?
Robot class.
Excellent. Yes. Done. Next scenario we'll do now. So everyone got this scenario?
Yes.
Yes.
Have I achieved? Yeah. Now scenario 5. Scenario 5, we'll read the steps. First step is launch the application, enter HP in search
Take the
box, click enter.
screenshot. Okay.
Yes. So what we need to do, till here we already done. Now what we need to do, we need to take the screenshot of result page and store it in folder. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to take the screenshot of, we need to take the screenshot of
Screenshot.
this.
This.
Yeah, this. Okay, and we need to store this screenshot in folder.
Folder.
Yeah. So for that reason, what I am doing, I am, so here few yeah. So here what I have done, I have created one folder here. How to create this folder, right? See, right click on this project, go to new and
Folder.
create folder. Okay. Then folder will come. I mean, it will ask to give the name for that folder. You give screenshots. Okay, it will come here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take the screenshot, and after taking that screenshot, result page screenshot, I'll store it in screenshots
Create folder.
folder. Okay. Yeah. Till here we have done. Now what we need to do, we have one class called dimension. Dimension. Sorry. This will come from Java. Dimension D. Inside this we have one toolkit. T capital. Inside this we have one toolkit. Inside this toolkit we have like one default to get, I mean get default toolkit method. After you understand, after I will complete writing this program, I'll explain what is by this dimension, why we are using this toolkit, the get default toolkit. Okay. So inside this
Toolkit dot
get default toolkit,
get
we have
default
like we need to
method.
Yeah, we need to get the screen size.
Size method.
Yeah. So here what I am doing, we need to get the screen size of this screenshot. Okay. We need to
Okay.
get the screen size of this screen, and we need to store this in somewhere. So to store the screen size, right?
Yes.
So how it will store? In the form of dimensions only. Okay. For that reason, we have class called dimension. We have class called dimension. That's the reason I have created dimension and one reference variable, and I'm storing this screen size into this dimension. Okay. You got this step?
Can you repeat once?
Sure. Yeah. So the dimensions class encapsulates the width and height of component in integer position in a single object. The class is associated with the certain properties of component. So what it is saying, the dimension class encapsulates the width and height of the component. So whatever values it will, it will uh, hold, right? That in the form of width and height. Okay. So we have one. So if you mouse over on this, what it will say, this is one class. Okay, this is one class. This is a class. Inside this toolkit class, we have one method called
Yes.
default toolkit. So what I am doing, I am storing this get screen size into dimension, and this present in which method? Again, get default toolkit method, and this method present in where? Toolkit class. You got?
Okay, here
Actually,
toolkit is a class and get
yes,
default. It's the
method.
method.
So why I am calling like this? We have discussed static variables, right? Static methods, instance methods. Static methods can access with the help of class name.
Yeah.
You people remembered? So here I am doing same thing. So I am calling this particular methods with the help of toolkit class. So this method is available in toolkit. That's the reason toolkit dot get default toolkit. I need actually this method, but this method present inside the get default toolkit. Yes. For that reason, initially I called this method. Later, I called get screen size method. So this screen size will come in the form of length and width, and we need to store it in somewhere. So to store the width and length, right? We have one class called dimension. So in that dimension, I am creating reference variable for that, and I'm storing inside that. So this will help to store the any object, that should be in the form of width and
Right.
height and width. Yeah, clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what we will do? We need, see, we already said like we need the screen. Okay, screen size I have mentioned. So what screen size I'm saying like yeah, so this much screen it will come. Okay, screen size I have taken, but the screen size you need in the rectangular form or any other form?
Rectangle.
Rectangular form. That we
Yes.
need to say to system again. For that again we have one rectangle
Rectangle.
class. Yeah,
And
rectangle, and I'm creating
the
object
object
for
R
rectangle.
equal to new.
Yeah, it will come from Java again. Okay, now we will
Equal to
pass this height and width here, so that whatever screen size came, right, now that will come in the form of rectangle. I mean like this, like our
Regular screen.
monitor. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. Fine. Why I have used this rectangle? You got 38th line.
Yes.
Now, so we have one method called r dot create screen capture. Okay, now we have like we have said system to, we need the screenshot in the form of rectangular one. Now we need to capture that screenshot, right? We need to capture that screenshot, right?
Yes.
For that, we have one method called create screen capture. This will come from robot class. See here. Okay, robot class. We have created object for robot class, right? And I'm giving r dot. Then these methods came inside this method. What we have create screenshot capture, and what it is asking. It's a parameterized method. It needs rectangular screen rect. I mean, what type of screenshot you need to mention here. So what type of screenshot we need? We need rectangular screenshot. Now this method will capture the screenshot in the form of what? Rectangular, right? Right? See, initially we have taken screen size, then that screen size we need in the form of rectangle. That's the reason we have written this line. Now, after writing this, we need to capture that screenshot. For that, we have one method called create screen capture. That's the reason I have used this create screen capture. Okay, this is a parameterized method. So what it is expecting, what so it will, this method will help to capture the screenshot, but in the form of what? In the form of rectangular we need. That's the reason I have like entered rectangular object here. So this entire thing will come and it will store it here in the now. This entire thing will come, this object will come and it will store it here. Now we are passing this here. Okay, now we combining these two and keeping here. You got initially what we have done with the help of this line? Suraj, can you say what we have done with the help of this line?
We got the dimensions of the screen first.
Great. Yes.
Then we stored that dimensions in D.
D. Yes. Some
Reference
reference variable,
variable.
whatever you want, you can. Yeah.
Then later we took this rectangular, like we
We
created an
need
object.
that screenshot in the form of rectangle. So we
Yeah.
need to, yeah, we for that what we need to do, if you want to get that rectangular, right? We have one class. For that class, we need to create an object, and I passed these dimensions here. Now,
Dimensions.
yeah.
So
Now that width and height, how it converted in the form of rectangle, right?
yeah.
And that rectangle will store here. Now what we are doing with the help of this 39th line?
So using robot class, we are creating a screenshot using this rectangle.
Capturing the screen.
Yeah,
Capturing.
this is a method, this available in robot class. So creates with the help of this create screen capture method, we are capturing the screenshot.
In
Now we
rectangle.
captured, yeah, in the rectangle form. Excellent. So we captured screenshot. We need to store it in somewhere, right? Why? Because what our scenario says. See.
We need to give a folder path.
Yes. Yes. So we need to provide. We need to take the screenshot and we need to provide that result point. We need to store it in folder. Okay. Yeah. So for that, what you need to do here, you need to store this. See, string value means like group of characters. You will store it in string, right? Integer value you store it in int, right? Character values you store it in char. Like that, boolean values you will store it in boolean. Now image, where you will store image? We have again one
Buffer.
more class called
Buffered.
buffered image. Yeah, yes, buffered image. Some I am giving some source, whatever
Source
name,
image.
anything. This
Okay.
can be anything. Okay, this is just reference variable. You can give anything, but this is mandatory. So whatever image, for example, if you want to store any of the image, right, you need to use buffered image. Okay, so it will come from Java only. Now what we have done with the help of this line, whatever screenshot we captured, right, we are storing that screenshot in here. Now we stored, but our scenario, we need to copy this particular source image into one folder, right? Folder, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in the
Yes.
local. Yeah.
Yes. So for that, till here everyone got? Till here.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
Should we give
again
the
we have
path
like,
like that?
no, we need to copy this first. We need, see, now our screenshot here, Suraj. Now what we need to do? We need to copy, paste into the path. How to copy paste? Now I'll tell you. We have one more class called
Image
image
ID.
IO.
The
Inside this image IO, we have one method called write.
right.
Yeah. So write, what are the parameters it's accepting? See, rendered image means whatever image you are taking, right? This image it's expecting. After that, format name. You want to store this particular screenshot in the form of PNG or JPG or PDF. How you want to store? That extension it's asking. See, it's string format name. Then what it is asking? File output it is asking. See, we have this rendering image. I mean, we with the help of this buffered image, we are storing this. We have this, and we have this format name. Directly see, it's asking string format name. Means we can provide this format name here itself. Okay, but we need this file output. How to get this? Now I'll explain. Okay, before that, whatever we have, we will enter all the things. So we have rendered image, means we stored that rendered image here, and after that, the second parameter, what it is, which format you want to
Format.
store that image. Yes, it's
So
a string,
generally,
right?
when we take a screenshot, it will generally save as PNG, right? So when we use some other, it will convert from PNG to JPG or PDF.
Yeah, we'll try. So
Okay.
what I will do, I'll store it in the form of JPG now. Okay, so name we will give,
Yeah.
so dot JPG, right? Or JPJ?
JPEG.
JPEG. Okay, JPEG. We'll try. When I haven't tried, but we'll try. Yeah. Now, then this one. So this one is the path actually. So
Output.
what you are doing, you are copying this
Direct.
particular screen in the form of JPEG, and where you need to copy. I mean, where you need to paste, that you need to provide here. For that, what we need to do. So you create a anywhere here also it works. Okay. So file, we have one file class. I'm creating object for file. I mean, this will come from Java IO library. If I mouse over, what it is expecting, see, it's expecting add argument to match file string. Okay, and here if you see, it's asking add argument to match file URI. So what we need to enter here, we need to enter the path. So where we need to paste that particular screenshot which we have taken here, right, in this folder. So this path we need to take. How to take path? Right click on this folder, go to properties, and copy this
Copy the
path.
path.
Yes. And it's accept string. So you need to enter in double quotes. And you can give any name of that screenshot. So what name you, okay, HP results I'm giving. Now I am passing this F. Now see, this entire path came and it is there in this object. Just I'll pass this F here. Now I'll give some time to see the execution. Anyway, it's like taking screenshot only. So yeah, I'll execute this. We'll see. Yeah, our scenario got passed. We'll see like a screen capture, I mean screenshot capture not. For that, what you need to do, you need to refresh your project. How to refresh? Like this. And if you come, not came. So something happened.
JPG file actually given.
Is it JPEG or JPG?
Generally, it will be saved in
Okay.
PNG.
PNG files
PNG.
are saved, Pujita.
I just
Okay.
asked, yeah, that's what I asked.
Yes.
Okay.
So when we take a screenshot, it will be saved as
And text
PNG. So I was
files also
asking,
saved. Actually, .txt files are saved into the folder.
once we can write
Okay.
PNG, I think this will
Yeah.
work.
Yeah. We'll try
I was
this.
asking, we can convert PNG to JPG or any other format we require for this, is what was my question.
Yeah. See, as of now, we'll try this, and I'll
Mm.
research that one. Your question, Pujita, and I will answer tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I'll try. Is there any way to like save this screenshot in the form of JPG or some other? Uh, I'll check and I'll let you know tomorrow. As of now, we'll try with .png. We'll refresh our project. Now also it didn't taken screenshot.
Generally, for file path, we have single slash. Here it is showing
Only
double slash.
yes, single slash.
Line 44.
Yeah, there are
Line
two
40.
slashes. The path.
Actually, we need to provide like this only paths.
Okay.
Single slash will take.
Generally, paths will be in single slash.
Yeah, we'll try that also. Okay, image io dot write. So string format name. That's it. There is no dot. Okay. See, it came now. If we open this,
If
no, again, like this is not proper extension. I'll give dot and try. No, something is fishy. When you
Actually,
click this, right, it should like come in PNG form. I mean, it will show here. Here itself, like it will show properly. Something is fishy. Padma, you are saying something?
dot slash directly a folder name, screenshot folder and slash and file name PNG. That's enough.
Okay, okay, I'll try that like that also. So what you are saying, Padma?
1 minute chart. Actually, I sent the whole line. Let's try
Okay,
that one.
sure, Padma. I'll try that also. No, it's not the case. Same I did, right, Padma?
Actually, I didn't write.
Yeah.
Path name.
Do it from your side also, Padma. I'll do from my side. We'll see. See, now it's stored in the form of PNG. If I open this,
Okay.
see, it captured, right?
Yes.
So initially its dimension is 1536 cross 834. So what mistake I've done here, I've entered like this is like PNG form, and here also we need to give that extension, then only it will work. Now, Pujita, you have said one extension, right? JPEG, right?
Yeah.
We'll try this also. Just I'm trying. I don't know like it will work or not. JPEG. See, it took in the form of JPG also, it took. So what mistake we have done here? We entered like what extents we are giving, but here we need to provide extension here also. Here we haven't provided. That's the reason we got issue. Thanks, Padma. You helped me today. So by seeing this, I got.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So like this, we can capture screenshots of our results. Any questions? So what
Here
mistakes
we
we have
got
done?
both the PNG and JPG. Yeah.
Yes, both we got.
When we give caps, it's taking, I guess, not
We
the
can try.
small.
I don't know. We'll try that also. JP. I don't think this is case sensitive. JPEG, right? We'll try this also. Oh, I have 1 minute. Why have changed that name, right? It will overwrite. That's the reason I've changed that screenshot name. We'll see. We'll refresh our project. See, it's taking Pujita. Even small letters also it's taking.
Yeah.
So like this, we need to take the screenshot of our results. So from here, 42 line to 47 line. Do you want me to explain again? Or
Yes,
you
yes,
people got?
yes. Can you
Yeah.
explain?
So initially we have one class called file. With the help of that file, I am reading the path name. Okay. This line, everyone clear? I
Yes.
want to read the path name. For that reason, we have one class called file. So I've created object for that file. And see, what is meant by this? What is meant by this? When this will invoke this part. This part. What is meant by this part?
Path.
It's a constructor, right?
Okay, okay.
We already read this concept, constructor. So when it will invoke? When object creates. Okay. Constructor will invoke when you create object. Yes. Here I am doing that only. So here I want to read the file path name. That's the reason I am creating object for file, and it will accept file path as the argument. So
Yes.
it will invoke when this particular
Line.
method,
Up.
I mean after creating this method, like when constructor will invoke, right, at that time this path will call. Now after this 42 line, why I have used this dimensions class? Why? Because I want to store the screens that screens are coming in the form of width and height. So that's the reason I have one class there. I can store the width and height. That class name is dimension. Okay, here I am just storing the width and height of the screen.
Yes.
After this, I need that screen in the form of rectangle. That's the reason I have created object for rectangle now. Okay, again the same constructor concept. It will invoke when object creates. Okay, yeah. So now I need the screenshot, whatever width and height, right? That now I want to convert in the form of rectangle. Okay, that's the reason I have created object for rectangular, and I passed this width and height here. Now it converted into rectangle. Okay, converted into rectangle. Now that particular screen is present here. Now I want to take the screenshot of that particular screen now, rectangular screen. For that, we have one method called create screen capture in, and this method available in Java Robot class. So I by using that method, what I am doing, I am capturing the screenshot. Okay, this screenshot I am capturing. That's the reason I passed here. Now I want to store this captured screenshot. So for that reason, now
Buffered.
again, yeah,
In the
buffered
form
image.
of image.
Yes, in the form of image, exactly. So for that reason, I have taken this. Now I am storing this in the form of image. Now I want to copy this particular copy and paste it into one folder. For that reason, we have one method called write, and this method available in image.io. Again, this is static method. With the help of class name, I'm accessing. So this write method, what are the parameters it's accepting? It's accepting image which we have taken, I mean screenshot image which we have taken, and I want to store this image in the form of what? JPEG. Okay,
PNG.
where I need to store? In this path,
Path folder.
right? That's the reason. Yeah, now this entire thing came and sit here, right? That's the reason I'm passing this here. Now this will put it into this folder. Okay, now if I execute this program, it will take the screenshot and it will appear in the folder, screenshots folder. Yeah, so what mistake we have done here also, we need which I mean in the, like, which form you want to store, right? It may be PNG or it may be JPEG, that you need to mention extension here also. Okay, otherwise it will open some junk values, right?
Yes.
It like I think text, in the form of text it read, and text file. So we are, when we open the text file, it came all the junk values. So that's the reason you need to enter. By default, it's taking text file. So if you enter proper extension, then it will give proper extension to your screenshot. So this is our fifth scenario. You clear, Padma?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we'll move to scenario 6. See, I'll complete fast only. This is like it will finish fast. See, what we need to do now, scenario 6, we need to launch this application. We need to launch this application. Padma, could you please go to mute? Yeah. So what we need to do, we need to launch this application, and we need to click this choose file, and whatever file you want, you can, I mean, whatever path you want, you can select that path. I want to select this path, and you can select any of the document. Okay, and upload it here. See, it uploaded, right? I did it manually. Now I'll do with the help of automation. How to do, I'll show you. For that, what I need to do, I yeah. So for that, what I need to do, I need to launch this application. What is the code to launch the application? Saket, do you want to say? Saket, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
How to launch the application? With the help of driver.get. Okay, driver.get. You are in like sixth assignment, right? Sixth assignment. Yeah. So complete this today, Saket. If you have any queries, right, let me know.
Okay.
Why? Because you are absent, right? Yeah. So if you do this assignment, you will get to know how to launch the application. Okay.
I just now completed launching the application.
Yeah. So after my class, share your screen and show me.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So so we need to launch this application. For that reason, I'm copying this and I'm going to my Eclipse and I'm pasting here. Yeah. So after that, what I need to do? I need to, after launching that application, I need to come here and I need to click this, right? I need to click this, right, to upload the file.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I am doing, I am inspecting.
Inspect
Yeah.
XPath.
XPath. Please tell syntax, Pujita.
//
Yeah. Tag name.
input
Yeah.
bracket open @ ID
Yeah.
and bracket close.
Attribute and attribute value. Yeah. Upload file.
Value and square bracket close.
Yeah. Please tell code also, Pujita. Driver dot
Driver dot find element
find
by
element by dot
XPath.
XPath.
Normal braces open and paste it. Okay.
Yes. What I need to do? I need to perform click, right?
Click
Yes.
click.
Yeah. So we have one method. Here what we are learning, uploading file,
Uploading a document.
uploading a document or uploading a file. So we first will learn method 1. Okay. So instead of clicking, right, we have send keys. So
Directly we can
take this.
send.
Yeah, we can send. Yes,
To
that we
send to
can
the
do.
path.
Yeah, just which document you want to. For example, this day 12. Yeah. So copy this path or right click on this. Go to properties. So
Copy the
this is
path.
the path. Yeah, this is the path. Pass it here. So path always like in the double slash only, not single slash. Okay. So here again it's day 13, right? Day 13, and it's a Word document. It will store in the form of docx. I think we'll see.
DOC maybe.
docx, right here. Here if you see here, docx extension is docx. Yes. So we entered that extension also. So string value. I'm giving some thread dot sleep to see the execution. See, we are unable to see execution, right? So for that, what we will do? So this send keys will behave like that only. So we have option to come. I mean, we have option to drag the slider bar, right? How to drag it? We have robot class, robot R,
Class R.
new robot. Yes, actually it worked. Scenario also passed, but we haven't seen the execution. For that, what we need to do, we will drag that slider bar and we'll see the execution also. Okay. So we have what method? It mouse wheel, right?
Yeah, mouse wheel.
Mouse wheel. I will give some 15. I don't know. I am entering some default value. We'll see. And I'm giving some time. r dot delay some 3 seconds. I am executing this. See, it's taking, right? Day 13. It took, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that, like this way also we can upload the file or second method. If it will not take in this method, right? You need to follow second method. So I'm commenting this first method. Now, what we need to do first, we'll do manually. We need to click this. It will open like this, and we need what we need to do. Which document you want to upload, that you need to paste it here in this here, and you click on
Take the
open.
path. Okay.
Yeah, here you need to put the path, and if you click open, it's taking this day 7, and it's taking this day 7 path. So this from here like this, right? Day 7, sorry, day 7, and it will store in the form of docx, right? That also we need to pass docx.
UC.
Yeah, no, which path we need to pass, right? That I am telling. So if you click open, then that particular document it will upload. See, path, then da7 dot docs.
Docs.
So this file you need to upload. For that you need this file path. Okay. So first what we need to do, we need to read the file, right? We need to read the file path. Okay. We have one class called file, right? To read the file path, right? How to read the file path? Just now I have shown file f is equals to new
New
file.
file.
Yeah. Here we need to pass the path.
Dot docx. Day 7.
Yeah, day 7 dot docx.
It's not backslash again, or it's dot for day 7 before day 7.
Yeah. Yes, it's yeah, correct. Yeah. Now we read the file. Now what we need to do? We read the file. We need to paste, right? Where we need to paste? If you click like this, see here you need to paste, right? Here.
Yes.
I'll show you by pasting that manually. Yeah, like this you need to see, instead of day 7, day 8 I will take. Why? Because already day 7 uploaded there, right? So day 8, see if I click open, did I miss invalid? Correct, only day 8, right? Okay,
I
no
think
need
at the
to give
top,
this extension. Extension not required. Why? Because it will take extension automatically here. Now I'll click open. See,
no, at the
yeah,
top,
double slash. Yeah, top. Here double slashes are there, right?
okay,
Here.
okay.
No. Take like this only, right? But we are giving this double slash, right? Yeah, we'll see. It's taking day 8. But when we give, Single slashes it's accepting, but here what we are doing, we are giving double slashes. Okay, we'll try like this. If it will not take, then we'll give single slash. Okay, so we already read the file. What we need to do, we need to paste. So again, to paste, right, again we have like toolkit, get default toolkit. Okay, get default toolkit. Inside it we have like previously when we have taken screenshot, I mean width and dimension of the screen, what we have used, get screen size. But now what we need to do, we need to get the clipboard. I mean, see, clipboard means what? This is clipboard, right? This is clipboard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need to get it. For that we have direct method called system clipboard. Yeah. We have get system clipboard. After getting this, we have one method called set contents. Set contents. So what the set contents will do, right? So it's asking like two parameters. One is
String.
transferable contents. Yeah, another one is clipboard owner. Okay. So this transferable contents means, see, we are reading this file in the form of this. Okay. Maybe when it will like copy and paste it here, right? Maybe it will convert in the form of single slash. I don't know. We'll try. So what we need to do, this particular file we need to pass it here. Why, I will tell you later. And we need to leave this null alone. See, when I passed this file, what it is saying, it throwing some error. So the method set contains transferable clipboard owner in the type clipboard is not applicable for the argument file null. So it's not taking this path in the form of file. So it's expecting some other thing. You are getting, right? The method set contains transferable clipboard owner in the type clipboard is not applicable for the argument file null. Okay, so here why it's showing file? Why? Because we are passing this f here, right? So it is not taking. Then what we need to do? But in previous program, what we have done, to read the file path, we have used this file only, right?
Yes.
Right? But now it is not accepting. So is there any way? Yes, we have way to read the string. Okay, to read the string we have one way, that is called class name string selection. S is equals to new string selection. Just I am selecting the string. Okay, I am not selecting the path, just I am selecting the string. This is the string. I'll pass it here. Observe carefully. I'll change this to double slash.
Only double slash allowed.
Yeah, only it will allow double slash, not forward slash, Padma.
Already you gave the four slash. That's why I asked.
No, I copy pasted. It
Okay.
took four slashes automatically. Yeah. So this is now in the form of string. See, again it will come from Java AWP. It's saying data transfer. Okay. We'll see what is meant by data transfer now. S is equals to spelling mistake, string selection, S capital. Yeah. Now I will pass this S here. So I have read this particular path in the form of double slash. We'll see while pasting, it will like paste in the form of single slash or double slash. Okay. Now after that, so now what we have done, we have opened our clipboard and we pasted path where in the null place, right? I mean here, right? Previously it was null. We pasted path, right? So this line is saying, so we are pasting this where in the empty box, right? That's the reason I have given null here. I am setting the content. What I am doing, I am copying this. Okay, I am copying this. Now I want to paste this here. That's the reason I have given null here. Previously it was null. Then I am pasting this particular path in the place of null box. Now we'll see. After this, what we need to do? See, we have like entered our path. We need to click this open, right? Open, right?
Yes,
So if we do enter also, it will take, right? Enter.
yes, it will.
Yeah. So enter. So how to get enter key? How to click enter key? Sorry, we have only like we have taken the path. We have taken the path. Now that path is present in S. Okay. Now we need to paste this path in this particular box. Okay. Till now not yet pasted. We need to paste here. Okay. Just we have taken this path and we kept it here. Now we need to paste this path here in the null box. Till we haven't pasted. So to paste, what we need to do? Control V, right? Control V, right?
Yeah.
R dot key press. So it will initially it will confuse, but once you try writing this program, you will get to know. Okay. So key press. Then we have one class called key event
Key event VK
dot
enter.
vk. No, we need to paste it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we need to paste it. So control V we need to do. So control
R dot key press. Key event VK.
yeah, control now V. Now what I will do, same I will release.
Hmm. R dot key release.
Yeah, key release. Key release. Now after pasting, what I need to do? I need to enter, right? To click that open button.
Yes.
Yeah, again for that I am taking this delay, some time I am taking.
Key release.
Now I will press the enter button.
VK enter.
Now I will wait some time and I'll see the execution and we'll close. Okay. So before this, we need to, what we need to do after entering, I'll comment these two things. We'll execute this, we'll see. Carefully observe, like it is taking double slash or single slash. So it launched the Omayo. Nothing is happening. Got passed without uploading the document. Some error came. Some connection reset. Something came. It's not clicking. Clicking. We are not clicking the upload button, right? Upload button we need to click, right?
Yes.
So nowhere we have written that upload button click option.